Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you behind the scenes of a really cool project I worked on. It all started with a bold request from my client. They wanted me to create a 3D billboard featuring Baba, their character, going to the moon or flying through space. Here's how it all began. After receiving the initial request, I asked for more details. They sent me a blueprint map of the 3D billboard structure, but it was in Japanese. No problem though. I used ChatGPT to translate it for me, which was incredibly helpful. I started creating the structure in Blender. Let's dive into Blender and see how it all came together. The most important aspects here were the size of the structure, the resolution, and critically the dimension angle of the billboard. And see here how I meticulously set up the dimensions and angles to match the blueprint.